Hi guys, welcome to Beaver's 3D printing. Reason I use Beaver is because I'm in Canada. Anyways, this is a brand new channel and well, I'm going to try to, see what I could do with it, you know. Anyways, it doesn't matter, it's just, yeah. Anyways, we'll be, later on, a couple other videos, I'll be printing things and showing you the things that I'm printing. Right now I'm working on this. This is for, I'm doing some keychains for some people and on the NHL keychains. And this is going to be a rack for them to hold the keychains on at the store. And it's not finished, but I got to, the beginning is the base. You can see it. It's got a bearing on it. And the other piece is going to go on top of that one. And you're going to have just a very small gap here in between there. And so that you could turn a rack. This thing will have in total 2 bearings. It'll be 2 bearings. But I printed this one here. I printed if you could look, I used E-Sun PLA. It seems pretty solid, 80%. I wanted to make sure it wouldn't break, so I made sure it was full, 80% infill. And I was using my older artillery wine, it's an artillery X1. And this piece took 10 hours, And then I says, okay, I'll continue anyways. And so I was going to get ready to print the other one, and then I realized, I says, let me go take a look. So I went into studio, Bambu Studio, and I looked, because I had my printer here in a box for a while now, and it was supposed to take 2.5 hours to do the same thing. So I says, man, we're going to have to do it with that, not to waste too much time anymore, So this is what I'm saying. So this is what I'm starting with. There. God, jeez, I'm getting old. Anyways, so over here, down here, if you can see down here, is going to be where my bamboo is there. So I'm going to just take it there and let me fix this here. I'll take it, and then I'm going to put it up here, and then we'll bring the camera around so you can watch here. I've seen a lot of unpacking, and I'm sure you guys too, but hey, why not do the first video of doing an unboxing of the A1 Mini. So here, let me bring this over here so you can see better. There you go. See, there you go. So there it is. It's an A1 Mini Combo. With the color change thing to it. I figured, why not have the AMS, I like to print different colors and stuff anyways. So let's get to it. Let's open it up and see. So you see a lot of these, now I understand when these people are saying that it's very well packaged, it's very, yeah, I understand, now that I see it myself, so, I don't want to, there you go. I'll just push my screen just a bit to get it. Not too much in the way there. So, and then, when they're saying that you just take the plastic bag, I guess you pull up. So, I'm I'm gonna put this on the floor, on the ground. And then after that, we'll pull it out of the box and I'll put it back up. Okay, so first thing, go back. So the first thing we're going to pull out is, I assume, the unit. It's not heavy at all. I mean, it's heavy, but it's manageable. So I'll put this box on this side here. So here is the things that are in there that came with the machine. So I'll open this plastic bag here. What is this? Just take that. Okay, so let's see what we got. It's just I like this stuff, man. The style of this shit, spongy shit there. It's too bad we can't really do something with it. Well, we can, but put it on my CNC and use it parts. So here we got. This is for the. This is the spools for the AMS. We'll look at this after. I'll put it here for now. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's just the packaging is. It's okay. Seems like everything's just gonna come on out. Here's another part for the AMS. This is where the mechanism is going to sit on that with the spools. You know that. I'm sure you've seen it. Excuse me for my nose is leaky. And well, here's the AMS. Here's the AMS itself. We'll look at that later. Let me just, I'll be right back. I'm just going to clear my nose. Excuse me. So, okay, so we got some more of this stuff in the box. Throw that, I know those guys, you see some of these videos where these people they're unboxing and they're throwing all these, they get it for free, they're, oh, shit, throw everything around. What's the point of doing that? I don't know. I guess everybody, I don't know, each to whatever. More packaging material. The reason also that I wanted the AMS is because I will be eventually ordering the A1. So I'll be transferring from using the AMS on the A1. And if I need to do smaller jobs, then I'll transfer it back to the Mini. I'm not going to get another, there's no point, unless I was really doing a, what's it called, a printing farm, but I don't think so. These are, I saved these discs. Reason why, sometimes when you live, like I live in the country, see, I live up north, so there are times that you may have, I don't know, when the cold weather comes in, and I'm in the woods, up in the mountains, and when the cold weather comes in, sometimes you can get mice. See, I have a cat, she'll catch them and stuff, but like maybe in the garage or something like that. You know, the cat doesn't go out, so you take this stuff, and I don't know, this is a gel, this one. I think this one is a gel. And take some peanut butter, okay? And you mix this stuff in the peanut butter. Give it to wherever you saw that mouse or whatever it was, a critter. You put it there, and the critter's gonna eat it. And the mouse doesn't realize when it's thirsty. So what's gonna happen to the mouse, it's gonna start dehydrating. You won't look for water. It's just gonna dehydrate, and all of a sudden it's just gonna die, and it won't even decompose. It's just gonna be like it's just gonna dry up, you know. Order-wise, I'm not too sure about that part. The order-wise, depending, you know, I'm not too sure. But anyways, let's get back to this part. But that's why I keep these. Okay. So, we're at the bottom now. This isn't bad. It's just a few things to do. Well, you got a spool holder. Everybody knows seen this before. I won't be using a spool holder. So, you have, what else? What's this thing? Oh, this is that, what's it called? It kicks out the, everybody calls it poop, you know, whatever. But yeah, it kicks out that stuff, you know, filament. And I know that these machines, when you have these color changes, you do use up a lot of filament. You will, and there's no way around it. What is this thing? Oh, look, they gave me to make a clock. You know how many of these things I have in my garage, these kits? Because I work on a CNC, I do a lot of, I have a big CNC wood, wood router on a CNC. And I do a lot of clocks for some people that I know. And I have to order lots of these, the mechanical part of the clock. So I have a box full of them. So this doesn't really do me anything, you know, but thanks anyways, you know, I mean, it's nice for them to still give you something, you know. Filament would have been better. But hey, that's that, eh? No big deal. He comes around here. I got it here. Here's our manual. The manual. Yeah. And what else? That's it. I don't think there's anything else in here. Oh, I have. Oh, they gave me. What is it? Oh, Bowman tubes. These are the tubes. Look at that later. And let's lift this. This is what the machine looks like. It's very small. Put it here for now. More filament. And more packing material. And no tools. Which is pretty interesting. So this thing doesn't need any tools. Okay. So there you have it. The unpacking of the Bambu A1 Mini. So let's put this up here. It's very small. I'll wow, how are you supposed to take this off? Okay. Take that off. And there's another one. I must say though, it is protected. Shipping. So I can't go bring this up. Jeez. So yeah, I'll just cut this tie wrap. Get rid of the tie wrap. Take this off. Do not grab or press the axis. You gotta be careful. So, is there anything else? There's absolutely nothing to see. Oh. Still this one. Here. Now with that. I know that you're supposed to do the bed adjustment on this. Oh boy. You know. I don't have that size. I understand how come I don't got no. Hang on a sec. Let me take a look at the. We'll look at the instructions here. Yeah. What is this? Oh. What the hell is this? Stickers? Oh. They gave me stickers. Ah, isn't that nice? Stickers. What's this? Get started. Free premium models. Okay, put that there. Okay, let me take a look at something here. Just like I said, I have 0 tools. I came with this thing. At least it could have gave me a key, you know. So, ensure that the build plate is on a heated bed. Yeah. We're not there yet. So, let's read this thing. Let's take a look. I'm supposed to have screws. Unplugging pin. Allen key. Another Allen key. I don't see none of that. I didn't get none of that. And I got M3 screws. M3 12 screws. I got M3 8 screws. 1, 2 of those. 1 of the 12s. Another BT3 8 screw. Got 5 of those. And BT2 6 8 screws. 8 number 8. 2 of those. Plus I got the spool holder base. I'm supposed to have grease and oil. And bamboo scraper blade and cable organizer. So where is all that stuff? I don't know where they're at, but anyways, let me take a look at something here. Okay. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. I'm going to just pause this for a second. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Sorry, it took a couple of seconds. Oh, Lord. I found the stuff. It was in the box there with the spool holders. Yeah, it was with the spool holders. So let's take a look inside. Love the way they make these boxes, these guys. Jeez. You can't even open them. Let's take a look. So, there we go. This is what I was saying. I was looking for. Anything else in here? Nothing else. So, can I throw this in there? I'll throw that in the box. Now, what else do we got in? Okay, I have There's, what is this? Bambu Lab Mini 3D printer disclaimer, safety guide. Yeah, we'll look at that. Yeah, there, that thing there. I'm sure you guys all seen this. This is the filament swatches. That's it. Swatches. Filament swatches. I don't want to open it really because, you know, I had to put it back inside. But we're gonna make a display so that we could put them in, you know, a tray. We'll make a tray for this, and then after that, that'll be one of our projects, okay? And the reason why I got this one too also is because the speed, hey, the Bambu, they'd say, it's speedy and it has good quality, you know. And I used to print it a lot with my, I have an Ender 3, I have my artillery, the Sidewinder X1, and I stopped. I stopped for about 3 years. Personal things, and I wasn't into it anymore. Like I was getting whatever. But then I realized that, you know, I wanted to start again, and so when I started to redo my research again on these printers and what's going on and stuff like that, and my God, you know, that they evolved. It's did you see all these printers that came out? I mean, my printers are like dinosaurs, you know, compared to what's going on today, you know. Yeah. But yeah, it evolved a lot, man. I mean, it's impressive sometimes to see the things, especially when you go on Maker World and you see these guys with doing models and stuff. So it's like really talented people, you know. I mean, dedicated to this program. It's something. So, anyways, okay. So back to the printer. So let me bring this down here. Okay, you guys can see that printer over here. There, is it there? I don't know. You guys can see it, I'm sure. Anyways, let's go and let's just get this thing ready there. I'm not gonna put the AMS on it right away. I just want to. I decided that I'm going to just use the spool holder just to finish this project, you know. And this, like I said, was printed with my artillery, okay, my X1, and with what's it called, eSun PLA. I never used eSun. I usually use Print Ox. It's like it's transparent type of filament and stuff. But I decided to buy myself some eSuns to take a look, and I have another order that I'll be ordering tomorrow for geez, I forgot the name of that company. It's a Canadian company, figuring, well, might as well help the Canadians out, you know. The filament is they're more expensive. I've noticed, you know, like $23. They go all the way up to $30-40. You know, it's like, wow, man, that's expensive. But the ones that I'm getting, I paid $23 and I only needed 4 colors, you know, for the keychains that I'll be making, especially the ones for the hockey clubs. It's impressive because when I was loading them up, when I was getting them ready, when I was doing the designs and stuff, most of these logos only had 4 colors. You know, it's like, look, the Canadians, Montreal Canadiens, it's just white and red. Maple Leafs, blue and white, you know. Chicago's probably the one that has, Chicago Blackhawks is probably the one that has the most colors. Yellow, black. There's yellow, black, there's something else, you know. But not more than 4 colors, which I was like, that's pretty cool. So I had to order some extra. Yellow is a color it's hard to get by, but, you know. And so, Anyways, we're going to just set it up so that we could finish this, because I got to bring this to the customer and get this thing ready, you know, and then start the rest of the program, start the rest of my keychains. So we'll put this there for now. Anyways. Okay, so let's go to it. Let's get to it. So, okay. It tells me to remove the 4 screws to unlock the Z-axis limiter. Cut the zip tie. We already did that part. Right, yeah. And that's wrapped around the tool head and remove the foam padding. Yeah, we did that. So they're talking about, we're going to take out this thing here, which is where put this here. It's this here. Over there. So they're talking about, if you can see, I'll bring you a little closer. Talking about taking this off here. So there's how many screws? There's 4 screws, so 2 in the back and 2. I see 2 on the sides here. Does it tell you which one to use? Which Allen key are we going to use? And then it says tighten the screws. Okay, I guess we're just going to have to, you know, go our own way. They don't tell you which one, so okay, we'll try it out. Anyways, you can. I'm sure this is dumb proof. So we'll try. What's this one? That's the bigger one. H2. So it gotta be this one. I'm gonna go this way. I hate using these things. Oh, the Allen keys are just, you know. It's best to get a kit. They have some really nice kits. You know, these things here are just, they're such a drag. Such a drag. Here's one screw. Sorry if the video's taking long. Here's another screw. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. It's hot in here. This room's hot. It's 22 degrees in this one. So it's this one over here. Almost, as you can see, it's deep. There's 2 screws here. So no, don't want to scratch my nothing either, you know. Damn. Oh, I can barely see. Shit. I can barely see that. Come on. Yeah. It's over here. There's the other one. Let's take the top one out. Oh, come on, man. They're in pretty good too. There we go. Yeah. There, let's talk about this piece here. I mean, it looks like it's part of the unit. Anyways, so there we go. We took it apart. Let's put it on here. That's a cute little machine. Okay, so our next trip. Okay, it says here, tighten the 3 screws in green to lock the heat bed. There's 3 screws to lock the heat bed. 3 screws lock the screen back. Let's go look at it. I assume I can put this like this on. And let's take a look. So that means it'll be this one, and that one. Okay. Pues así. Is this the right one? Yeah, it is. Don't have to over tighten, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think you have to over tighten it. Okay, I'll just get back and I'll just hold this down. And this one seemed already tight though. Uh-oh. Let's take a look at the side. Look at this side. Don't pull on this. Don't jack this. You know. There's the last one. Here. Oh boy. This one's really loose. Oh, I really hate these keys, guys. Damn keys. Does it have room? It doesn't have room. Yes, boy. There you go. Okay. Well, so take up. It's going to be like that. I speak French too. Bill plate. What does it say? Oh, I can't even see that. PLA, ABS, and PETG. I doubted very much that this is going to hold PETG. This doesn't heat enough for PETG. PETG or PETG is it's tricky, man. Yeah. PEI plate. Okay. It's got two sides. Anyways. And how does it fit? Let's see. Ah, okay, yeah, cool. Whoa, Jesus, man, that magnet's tough. Jeez. That's crazy, man. Holy crap. Jeez, that's an angry machine. Okay. So now let's put this thing back in there. This is too, if you get a clog, you know, something that everybody dreads. There's some lubricants in here, and I think there's screws, lubricants. Something you're supposed to have. There's a blade in there too. I'll never use a blade. Everything is also numbered in this thing. Yeah. So anyways, okay. Enough of this. Put that over there. Next thing we're gonna go and do. Okay, it tells me here. So we did the locking of the plate. Yeah. We did that part. Now we're gonna go and do purge wiper installation. The purge wiper installation. Slide in the purge wiper unit into the slot at the end of the x-axis. And that's that weird thing that we saw there in this thing. Over here. This thing. Yeah. Slide it. I guess then, slide it how? Okay. Comme ça. Eh? It will. And then after that, it tells me install one M312 screw for this guy. Okay, so there's a. Okay, so where is it? It must be under here. I understand. Okay. Let me just take this. I'll put it like that. Let me take a look under here. Okay, it goes like this. Like that. And, oh wait. I just want to say the screws there. Okay. Okay. So we'll turn this around. The screw they're talking about goes in here. That's just to prevent it from moving back and forth. So what number did he say? And 12 screw. So we'll open up this package. And lubrications. Grease. More grease. Okay, so you see what I was saying there? They're all, I mean, you really can't go wrong. So they really these guys really thought about what they were doing. I guess they just wanted to get into the game and, you know, and look, man, they're not messing around. Okay, so we're going to try this for purge wiper. See, so this is the one they're talking about for purge wiper in brackets. See, purge wiper right there. Here, I guess it's upside down for you guys, but this is the one they're talking about, purge wiper screw. I guess we're gonna have to use that damn thing again. It has some Loctite on it too. Okay, so here it is. We'll use that. Oh, I hate these things. Okay, this is the video. So put it here. Boy, eep, oh boy. And I'm doing this in the dark. Not even looking what I'm doing. Is this it? No. Okay, stop messing around. Oh man. Okay, look at this. It's hard to see. Wow. So here. Yeah. There you go. Okay. There you go. Okay, so the purge is on. The filament waster is on. What's next? Yeah. Okay, this is for the spool holder, and I am going to install the spool holder because, like I said, I'm printing this thing as fast as I can, and I'm only using one color. So we're talking about installing this. Well, this is finished. Talking about installing this piece here. Okay, and it's going to, let me get my bracket. It goes to this. I assume this slides in. Yeah, see, slides in. Okay, anyway, something like that. We'll see. Okay, where do you want me to install this thing? It goes in the back of the unit. there. Right here, you got these two screws. You got these two holes over here. So, hey, okay, what kind of screws you want me to use? 2M3. See, it tells you, you know, spool holder. So you look for the bag that says spool holder. For the stand here, spool holders. Here's the two screws. Oh boy. Okay. So we got these guys. Voilà. Comme ça. Ça va comment? Yeah. Je sais pas si ça. I don't know if they go. Okay. I think this sticks outwards or inwards. I don't know. Let me see if it goes like this. Or would it be like this? Je suis pas sûr. Je ne suis pas sûr. Non, ouais. Sûrement. Ça devrait être comme ça. Bon, on va essayer comme ça. We're going to try like this. Sorry for the French. As you can see, I'm in a French province. Voilà. Comme ça. Ça doit être dans la même anyways. No, just on va le mettre comme ça, là. So we're going to put this screw here. There we go. Okay, there you go. Don't over tighten. You don't need to over tighten it. And besides that, with these type of things, these cheap ones, all you gotta do is strip the head. You're gonna strip your screw. Don't do it. Then you're gonna have it. Oh, don't do it. Trust me, don't do it. So this apparently slides on. Like this. I don't know. Maybe it was wrong. That's interesting. Maybe it was the other way around. To give it the, is that right? To give it the, there we go. Oh, maybe it was. Okay, so that's weird. Because it doesn't tell you what side. I can't see it. Oh, yes, it does. Oh boy. Oh, that's an embarrassment right there. It's okay. It's one fault, big deal. Okay, so it goes this way. Wing, comme ça. J'imagine that goes, that's why the lip is there, so it's able to sit itself in, seat itself. Where's that other screw? Right there. There you go. So, there. Put this there. Oh, I'm sweating. It's hot in this room, man. It's not my studio. My studio's on the other side. I'm not finished, I think. But it should be done within a couple of weeks. Okay, so see, you got the spool. You got this. It goes like this. Comes out. So the holder just slides on. Jeez. There you go. It's tight. See? There you go. Okay, there you go. Oh, that's not going anywhere. Okay. Jeez. What's next? Okay, now that's it. that is it. Now the rest of this manual here, they're talking about the AMS. Like I said, I don't want to install my AMS right now. So let's just put this like this for now. This bag is finished. This one's finished. So we'll put them back in here. This is for a later date. The AMS. So, put that over here. And this, I'll just keep it in here for now. The grease. So, back to the, I think we're going to end up turning this thing on now. Right? Yeah. This is all for the AMS, all for AMS. And now we turn this thing on. Plug the AMS in. Okay. Connect to network. What's this? Plug the AMS light 4-pin connector into either one of these things. We're not using it. Turn on. Switch on the back. Please leave a safety margin. Yeah. To the front. Okay, so yeah, we're going to plug this thing in. Now, okay, we're going to plug it in. I just wanted to see if there was a, you know, like a 210, if there's a 210 on it or not, you know, because then we're going to have an issue. But there's no switch showing 210, so it's 220, sorry. So we just give it as much room as possible. This over here. So take this off. Put this over here. And also I like the Sideliner because it has a really big build. It's 300 by 4. So you could do some pretty big stuff on it. It's just a dinosaur, but it works really well. But, you know, it's slow. So, okay, we got power in there. And I'm turning the power on in the back. See what we get. And we got a light. And there you go. Oh. Oh, I don't like that. That'll drive you crazy, that noise. But we could turn it off, but we don't have to worry about it now. So this is it. This is the way it's supposed to look. And I'm sure I should be able to do my project, see, on this thing. It's high enough, wide enough. We need the speed right now, you know. So let's put this, make it safe here. So, okay. I noticed that there's a USB, not a USB, there's those little miniature flash drives here. Yes, that's probably with all the, you know, the printing. Oh boy, you get older for the, you know, the stuff that they have that came with it. You know, the benchy and all that. I don't have time for benchies and stuff, so whatever. As a built-in camera, it's crap. I don't understand Bambu why they did that. I really don't. Maybe one day with the firmware update or something, it'll become better. I don't know. But it's apparently very. It's not even worth it, you know. So okay, let's get started. Let's check this thing out. So I'll bring you in a bit more. I'll bring you down. You won't be seeing me for a bit there. There you go. Yeah, I'm thirsty. So it says here down here, it says press start. Oh, we gotta start. Is everything okay? Everything seems good. Let's go. Select language. English. I think the touch button, I don't see the touch screen to be, they're talking about this screen is, it's no good. I don't know. Seems pretty good to me. It says connect to Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi. Well, yeah. Let me put in my piece word. Oh boy, it is small though. Cat. Oh boy. But it's responsive. It's responding. Responsive. Whoop. 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 No. Press connect. It's not too bad. It's a small screen though. It is a small screen. Yeah. What is this? It says use Bambu Handy app to scan and log in. This step enables you to send prints. Can we do this after? Let's skip this for the time being, okay? Do you accept the following document and terms and stuff like that? Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Enjoying user experience, improve, yeah, whatever. Okay. It says here we're gonna refer calibrations for better printing quality. Motor noise cancellation takes 5 minutes. Vibration compensation 7 minutes, and bed leveling, which is gonna be sweet. Finally, I don't have to worry about leveling the bed. So let's start it. I'm gonna pause you guys, and I'll be right back when this is all done. So this is it, guys. This is I turned the machine on, and I did everything I was supposed to do. You know, it's slowing sound, the motors, to stop the motors from screaming, and it passed that test. It did the what's called the bed, checking out the level, the bed leveling. It did the noise cancel. Well, that's what I was looking for the motor's noise cancellation. The vibration was pretty cool though, because you could hear it was pretty cool. I should have filmed it, but it takes a lot. It takes about 15 or so minutes to get through everything, you know. So that's basically it, guys. That's this is it. This is the Bambu Mini, and you know, I'm gonna start to finish. I need to finish this project as soon as possible, and that's about all I could tell you for the time being. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and it's very basic. I'm not going to start making all this fancy stuff and crap. I'm just the regular guy printing, and hey man, you guys want to see what we're doing, what I'm doing? Come on, let's check it out together. You know, leave your comments, like, share, subscribe. You know, like I said, it's a new channel, and I'm looking forward to doing this again. So, till next time, see y'all later.